Today we will be going over our CZ sizing calculator. This will place the power in the customer's hands to more accurately assess what unit size will fit their personal needs. Let's go ahead and look at the functionality of the sizer. First, we must identify how many people will be contributing to the system. So let's go ahead and use 6 for testing purposes. Our next option is to choose if the unit will have to meet both Coast Guard and IMO standards. We will leave it at just Coast Guards for testing purposes. Our next option is to choose if the unit will have to meet both Coast Guard and IMO standards. We will leave it here at just Coast Guard. One of the more vital decisions to make is where are the sources of waste coming from. As you can see, we have many options ranging from toilets to sinks, laundry, and more. But for this experiment, let's select just toilets. Lastly, the customer can calculate an imperial or metric, but the standard by which most of our clients choose is imperial, so let's go with imperial. So let's click on the calculate button and see what happens. As you can see here at the bottom, we get a view pricing button. This will take you to our web store where you can customize your unit further and take the experience further into your own hands by purchasing a sized unit directly from our web store. You can also see that the suggested model is a 112 and a size up would be a 182. These will both be viable options for what the customer is looking for. I hope this video was helpful, and if you would like to know more about our web store and where it goes from here, please click the link in the description below and check it out. And again, thank you for watching.